Hi and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to unrepost on X. So you want to log into your X account on the web and not through the X application. So let's open my browser and go to official website of Twitter. So now you have to first of all, of course, find posts that you have previously reposted by tapping your profile picture at the top left and accessing your profile. So now in the tab that's called Posts, you want to find a post that you have previously reposted, and you have to tap this 2 arrow in a square icon and basically select Undo Repost function. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.